We have mass manufacturing in China done by people. But that's rapidly changing. Things are automating. What's going to happen to the workers when they don't have their job there anymore? Kong Exile is an interdisciplinary arts company. Foxconn Frequency No. 3, I would say, is a piece of algorithmic theater. The reason why I use algorithmic theater because it doesn't always prioritize what you hear. You have to see what's happening. You have to a certain extent, maybe hear what's happening as well because of this apparatus that supports the whole piece, which is just a combination of hardware and software that allows the piece to run by itself. And the performers just have to deal with what happens, and they don't know what will happen. We have ingested the whole body of work of a poet named Julie J, and we've put it into the computer, and we've asked the computer to make new connections about it. So the stage, there will be 3 performers. The way that they're arranged, it does look a little bit like an assembly line. There's a lot of repetitive tasks. Part of the reason why we have this whole structure where there's a very clear-cut success and failure states is to create that kind of presence. And especially when the performers don't know what will happen next immediately, that they are very present and in the moment. They have to be. I'm not sure that we could ever really recreate what it's really like in Foxconn, nor I think should we want to. For me, as a composer, if you think of the apparatus of classical music, you think of the string quartet, you think of them with the music stands, reading off papers, you think of the orchestra. The entire new music infrastructure is built off of that. What happens if we change it?